Hello, my name is Shelby Horton. I'm in 5th period, and I am a senior in high school, so I'm in 12th grade, and this is my career project. So the jobs given to me, I found them kind of weird, but I guess some of them work. They said that I should be a veterinarian, and I want to be a veterinarian, but they told me that I should be a child psychologist, a bus driver, a lot of stuff to do with agricultural stuff, and I found that funny because I want nothing to do with any of those things. So system skills, it's basically judgment and decision making. It's using your brain, I guess you could say. It's using your common sense. So don't do something you think is wrong. Basically, go with your gut. Resource management skills. It's the process of pre-planning, scheduling, and allocating your resources to maximize efficiency. I found this one funny. You might think, at the moment, you might be thinking, what does any of this have to do with this project? Well, on the career ed zone, whatever it was called, I can't think of it off the top of my head, sorry. We went through and we did what was important to us at a job and like things we need, and this was one of them for me. The jobs I find most interesting is like a nail tech and a veterinarian. So work values. This is the next couple of slides is going to be pretty much the next 3 slides, 4, I think it is, 3 or 4, will be what is important to me when it comes to a job. So work values. You may ask, what are work values? The definition of work value is your benefits and ideas that are related to your occupation or job. These core principles are an important part of who you are. They include things like honesty, service, self-respect, respect for others, peace, and success. So when an employee has a strong relationship in the workplace, you are more likely to see good behavior, like collaboration and camaraderie occur. Employees are more likely to feel a stronger sense of loyalty to their company and each other. Support. Employee support means giving the people who work for your business the right tools to get the job done. All employee support strategies should take note of employees' motivation to perform and excel in the workplace and using the adequate resource at their disposal. So, financial aid, student financial aid in the U.S. is funding that is available exclusively to students that are attending Sorry, I lost my place. They are attending a post-secondary education institution in the United States. The funding is used to assist in covering the many costs and shared in the pursuit of post-secondary education. A student loan is a type of loan designed to help students pay for post-secondary education and the associated fees, such as tuition, books and supplies, and living expenses. So, my potential earnings with being a veterinarian, that's what all of this is going to be. So, the potential earnings. My annual salary, I didn't put any of that in. So, the federal taxes would be about $30,935, and I would take home $85,505. My education costs, I'd be in school for about 4 years, and my out-of-pocket expense would be $56,580, and with an interest rate of 6.8% for 10 years. So, the cost of college. Based on the information I provided, I can expect to take home $7,125 each month. Until my loans are paid off, it will cost me $651 for about 10 years, and this will leave me with $6,474 each month for my expenses. So, I created a budget for veterinarians where I take home $9,703 a month, and I budgeted $5,847 a month towards expenses, and it leaves me with about $3,856 a month. So, a veterinarian. Veterinarians diagnose, treat, and research medical conditions and diseases of pets, livestock, and other animals. Veterinarians treat illnesses and injuries, conduct surgical, medical procedures on animals. They also provide dental work, and they also teach owners the preventative health care, and they also give them vaccinations against diseases. I don't know what this little guy over here on the right is, but he's pretty cute, so I use him. So, a child psychologist assesses, diagnoses, and treats children who may have slight or severe mental, emotional, or social disorders. They try to help the families and their children to be happy and successful in their day-to-day lives and reach their developmental milestones. A nail tech. A nail technician is a beauty specialist who is responsible for grooming and appearance of the client's fingernails and toenails. He or she provides manicures, pedicures, nail shaping, cuticle grooming, callus removal, synthetic nail treatments, and application of nail polish for their clients. There were a few odd jobs that I saw on there that they gave me, and a lot of them had to do with agriculture, which I want nothing to do with anymore. For the quick assessment, it gave me that I was realistic, social, and artistic. So there are two different types of scholarships. The first one is academic study or achievement, and then the other one is kind of a payment made to support a student's education. And the one you hear about most is the second one because it helps pay for your college, and you can, they say, ride on like a sports scholarship is what a lot of people do. So, education. For education, there will be 11 to 15 years of college that I will have to go through in order to become a veterinarian. And I have chose the veterinarian because I have such a profound love and a very strong bond when it comes to animals. Immediately after high school, I will be about 17 years old. So I will want to continue to live with my parents and try to live the best life that I can until I'm 18. And then I will probably end up starting community college, and then I'll still have to figure out what my next move is going to be after that. I still don't know what college I want to go to be a veterinarian because there's so many, and I really don't want to go far away from home because I'm so close to my family. Thank you for teaching me throughout this unit. I am so very appreciative of everything you've done, and I've actually learned so much about myself. In summary, I think I'm going to be a veterinarian, and I'm pretty much dead set on it now. I was all over the place when I first started this unit, and now I know what I want to do. We're excited. I use Career Ag Ed Zone. And thank you for your time, and thank you for watching my 8-minute video because I'm ridiculous like that.